Everything we perceive as external reality is, in truth, an internal projection. The physical world does not exist independently of awareness. It is a manifestation born from consciousness itself. We do not merely observe the universe, we are the field from which all existence arises. Consciousness is not something we possess. It is the fundamental medium, the very information that pilots matter and determines its unfolding. Think of it as the blueprint, the guiding force that dictates every outcome, echoing the deepest principles hinted at in ancient texts and the great biblical mystery. This profound realization is the core of spiritual awakening. We are not passengers in a cosmic journey, we are the architects of our experience. At the heart of this understanding lies the concept we call Shitaniam, the awareness that is the creator. To understand consciousness is to unlock the hidden meaning woven into the fabric of time and space, revealing that the true separation we feel is merely an illusion generated within the confines of limited perception. We have established that consciousness is the fundamental force, the engine driving all existence. But this awareness, this infinite knowing, exists in a realm utterly distinct from the physical structure we inhabit. It is a profound distinction that challenges the very framework of conventional thought and modern scientific models. We are taught to equate awareness solely with the workings of the brain and the processes of the mind. We mistake the localized activity of physical matter for the totality of our being. But true consciousness is not a product of neural chemistry or electrical signals. It is an immutable, eternal substance that underlies all experience. It is the witness, the limitless field in which the theater of the body and mind plays out. The body and the mind are temporary expressions, filters imposed upon this deeper reality, like waves reflecting off a surface. They are incredibly intricate mechanisms for interacting with the physical world, but they are not the essence of consciousness itself. The physical form is subject to change, decay, and eventual dissolution, bound by the laws of physics. In contrast, consciousness remains untouched, an unconditioned state that cannot be destroyed by physical death. This separation is key to understanding spiritual awakening. When we anchor ourselves to the physical, we suffer from limitation and illusion. When we realize our true nature as pure awareness, as this unchanging substance, we discover a reality that transcends the ephemeral limitations of flesh and bone. We are not confined to the boundaries of what we can touch or measure. We are boundless, existing entirely within the spaciousness of pure consciousness. This awareness is not a confined space within the skull or a mere function of the brain. It is a boundless, luminous field that permeates every particle of existence, bathing the physical form and the mental landscape in its intrinsic light. Consciousness is distinct, yet it is the very substance that illuminates what we call mind and body, operating independently of their temporary structures. To truly understand this reality, we must observe the mechanism of experience. Imagine a mirror reflecting the light from a hand. The light itself is pure energy, but when it strikes the surface, it is reflected, perceived as an image, a form, a shape. Similarly, consciousness functions through reflection. It is the pure source, and the mind and body are the mirrors that capture and interpret that source. Within this expansive field of awareness lie 5 fundamental aspects, 5 facets defining how we interact with the world. These aspects reveal the layered complexity of knowing, moving beyond simple perception into the deeper currents of reality. By exploring these dimensions, we begin to see the profound connection between our inner state and the outer world, realizing that the separation we feel is an illusion woven from a limited perspective, not an absolute truth. This understanding unlocks the door to the hidden meaning of every moment. We have traced the journey from recognizing consciousness as the engine of creation, through understanding its separation from the physical form, and explored its distinct facets within our minds. But this exploration leads us to a deeper truth. The illusion of separation is merely a pattern we create within this awareness. The profound realization lies in understanding that there is no true duality between the self and everything else. The division between me and the other, between the observer and the observed, is not an inherent reality, but a functional construct born from the very way consciousness perceives itself. It is the internal experience of separation that generates conflict, fear, and the ceaseless striving we call life. Ancient teachings, reflected in profound wisdom from ancient texts, reveal that beneath all these divisions lies a single, unified consciousness. Imagine it not as multiple separate entities, but as one boundless ocean from which every form, every thought, every experience flows. This is the ultimate unity that underlies all perceived reality, resolving the fundamental mystery of existence. When we look closely at the wisdom found in texts like the Bhagavad Gita, we see this principle illuminated. Only one consciousness exists, and what appears to be multiplicity is simply the way that single awareness battles itself against the veil of illusion. The goal of spiritual awakening is not to eliminate experience, but to dissolve the false boundaries we construct within our minds, allowing us to recognize that we are fundamentally interconnected, sharing a singular, boundless field of existence. This unification is the deepest hidden meaning behind every spiritual journey. This realization moves us from theory into the profound architecture of lived experience. When we grasp that consciousness is the sole true substance, the entire framework of our existence shifts. The relationship we hold with the physical body transforms from ownership to stewardship, and the fear surrounding mortality dissolves into acceptance. This spiritual awakening is not merely an intellectual concept. It is a living transformation that redefines health and well-being. The illusion of separation between mind and matter, which previously created suffering, vanishes when we see that experience itself is unified. True mastery is achieved by recognizing that our limitations are not inherent flaws, but temporary projections born from the divided awareness. By mastering consciousness over the constraints of physical form, we access a reality where true health is inseparable from peace. This understanding unlocks the hidden meaning embedded in the cycles of birth and death, revealing an eternal truth often hinted at within ancient texts and profound spiritual teachings. It aligns with the deeper mysteries explored throughout history, hinting at a larger purpose that transcends the material world. To live fully in this conscious reality is to shed the heavy burdens of duality and step into the limitless expanse where awareness reigns supreme. This is the ultimate legacy, living not merely within time but realizing timelessness within the moment. This interconnectedness, therefore, demands a radical shift in how we interact with every living thing. When we perceive unity, our actions naturally evolve from striving and judgment to compassionate flow, recognizing that the well-being of the individual is inextricably linked to the health of the entire cosmic system. This realization forms the foundation for ethical living, prompting us toward universal responsibility and a profound commitment to sustaining this singular reality for all existence.